I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to schedule a webinar. So unless you're streaming your webinar live, you're going to need to schedule a time for your webinar. So to do this, we come down to the Schedule tab, and then first we set how many minutes our webinar is. So if our webinar's an hour and a half, we set it to 90 minutes. And then there's three ways we can schedule our webinar. We can start it by a button. So when we click start, the webinar starts, and then when we click stop, the webinar stops. And the next way we can schedule is we can start it at a specific time. So we can select the exact date and time of the start, and then select the time zone. So this time zone is in sync with your account. So whatever time zone your account is in will be the my local time here. So then you can put the time string how it will display before your webinar is scheduled to go live. So you can say webinar will go live at your local time. The third and final way we can schedule a webinar is just to have it on demand. So basically, as soon as the user loads your web page, the webinar will start at the very beginning and run for the duration of minutes right here. So in this video, we went over the various scheduling options.